In this video, we will explore the live captioning with translation feature that comes with Lenovo Copilot Plus PCs. To make content accessible to more people, the live captions feature now has the ability to provide translations. When using a Copilot Plus PC, live captions will instantly translate the audio from any live or pre-recorded media in any video platform or app, such as Windows Media Player, into English from over 40 different languages. To enable this feature, open the Action Center by clicking in the lower right portion of the toolbar. Click on the next page arrow, then select Live Captions. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Windows logo key, Ctrl-L, to enable it. Click Continue to advance the process. A prompt will appear, letting you know that the language pack needs to be downloaded in order for the captions to work. Click Yes, Continue. Once the language pack is downloaded, the live captioning window will translate the audio of the content that you are currently watching or listening to on your PC. To learn more about your Lenovo AI PC, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.